So everyone, welcome back to TechSamadhan. So far, we have learned how to write basic program, work with variables. So in today's, we are going to make our program interactive. We can say dynamic by taking user input. Because in the last previous video, we just see that age is 26. It's not that true that everybody's age is 26. Suppose my age is 26, the person XYZ age is 30. I'm not saying that 26 is only ABC's age. Yeah, this age can be similar to more than one person, but uh, it is not static. Like you need to enter something, some different age, which your ongoing running age is there. You may be 26 next year, but now you are 25. So the program shouldn't be static. But with that previous video, it seems to be static. Now we can make that program dynamic by taking user input. So we are going to learn how to take user input. The user input allows program to ask user for the information, which can be name, number, anything. So we can see here asking for user input. Now similar to print function, input is also a function which displays message. Then it will wait for a user, like for me, to type something. Like it will display this message, what's your name? It will wait. I will type the name, and then with this print function it will get displayed. I will show you. I need to clear this window. We can do it gets clear. This is very simple. It will wait. I will write the name Joy. It's displaying. My print function is working fine, but it doesn't seem nice. It's just printing the name. We can say hello Joy. It would be more interactive. So hello, and with we require this plus sign. I would get confused that why this plus sign. So basically, it would act as a concatenation. The word is difficult. Here you can easily understand 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So basically, this 2 is a result of 1 and 1. But without this plus, we say it addition. Without this addition, it won't. Means it takes both 1 to give 2. Similarly, it will take this hello as well as name to give hello Joy. See, the program ran, then it waited, I typed Joy, then hello Joy. Still, it doesn't seem nice, right? We require some space. How can we give that space? We'll just erase one quotation, 2 times space bar quotation, and we'll run it. What's your name? It's Joy. You can see here, hello Joy. We can do similar thing with name also. We'll, sorry, with number also. We'll take a variable as age, inputs what your age. Now here it is giving error because name is not declared anywhere. We change that variable to age now. Yeah, name also can take, but in the real world, name is string like text, age is number. So I used age as a container as a variable and I ran. So suppose it's 12. You can see here. I would clear it into the next one. Hello 12. Now, hello 12. We don't want hello. So we can print it only age. We don't require hello anymore. It doesn't suit. We can, as I said, we can enter clear. It will get. So what is it? It's 12. It get printed. See, you can write also like my age is 12. That is also be okay. Like rather than hello or 12 which got printed, you can write my age is 12. So we can do a simple calculation also. As we did 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. We can do that also. I will show you. Or you can keep it as it is. If you have taken the notes, I would be most happy. I will just drop it now. You can play back that video and see it again one time. So let's combine everything and build simple calculator that add two numbers. Okay. Now first, you need to understand data. You need to be very clear with data types present in Python. So they are int, which means integer. Float is nothing, means decimal. So for now, understand these two data types. Now, how are we going to work? Like for example, 1 is an integer. 0.1 is definitely decimal. Minus 1 is also an integer. Okay. Now the question will arise, minus 0.1 is float or integer, right? So it is float itself, because we need to be very clear about it and in the first video itself. Now, as that question arises, that if is minus 0.1 float or integer, and how can we confirm it in Python rather than our mathematical knowledge? We will use this print, which will display as output. Now we don't need the quotation because no text is involved, everything is numeric. Then there is a type. Now what is type? Okay, so with that type, we are able to understand like my numbers type. Which type is of my number is like integer, decimal, etc. So moving forward, type, then this is the syntax. We'll write minus 0.1 and run it. So see, you can see here, it is of type float. Now moving forward, 5 is towards the type of any video, uh, like type of any data type, uh, because whenever we need to specify the type, and that is, it is in, is it float? Even Python can guess it, but we need to. So now we can, like, you can check out like what data types are. Like I have just given here integer, whole number, float, decimal, but string is also a data type, which is under the quotation mark, or the text data. Boolean is one data type, which represent true, false. So there are many types of data present. For now, just remember float and integer. Float, integer, string. That would be easy to remember. Okay. A simple calculator, like how can we take user input and prepare simple calculator, not exact calculator, but simple one, 1 plus 1, 2 type of, but through interactive shell. So see here, I will just erase it. You understood how to check type of any number. So see, you can also check out, like I will wait for a few minutes to, you can check out what is string data type, and tell me in search using type function type function. What are the type of these two numbers? 7 minus 2 minus 3. You can do it. I will wait for few minutes. I hope it's done. It's integer and minus 2 minus 3. And what is string? We had did it. Basically, it won't be that typical for you. Now, yeah. So, how can we make a simple two-line calculator using user input? So, simple. Not exact calculator, we can say, but for time being, we can using user input. So, see, this is my variable. With input, we are taking user input, right? But now we have learned about type. I will use integer type. So this is the syntax. Okay, input under quotation. This will represent messages to user and wait until he or she enters any number. Okay. Then second number, I will copy exactly this and just change this one, which is the second number. Okay, have you got it? Because we know what is input function does. Takes input, like take input from the user. You know what this is. Specifies the type beforehand itself. Because we know we are going to enter integer if we want 4 plus 4, right? So yeah. And with print function, our output or our answer would get displayed. But how? What operation we are going to do? How? Exactly. What? How? I will do simple plus operation for now onward. So it would get stored into some third. We require third container also, na, to hold the new value we would get from 1 plus 1. The 2 would get stored into num3. So we'll just like num1 plus num2. And it would get, so what we are going to print here only, we can write text also. Addition is then plus num3. Okay. But here we want to plus. But I will show you. Because it is not string, it is number, so it would be different. Enter first number 1. Enter second number also 1. Now you can see here, type error can only concatenate string. The previous one which we saw, hello joy, hello plus joy, it was a string. So what should we do? Just enter simple comma. Okay, just enter simple comma. 1, enter 1, addition is 2. Hope you have all got it. So you can try subtraction and see if the result gets printed. So yeah, that's it. We will meet in the next video. For time, like, share and subscribe. Hope you like my inputs and videos also.